brought to you by thesis123.com. I learn and teach online.
Here's the next question, number 18. In this given circuit, the current supplied by the battery in amps is dash. Again, this is not a multiple choice question, so we will have to work it out. So the circuit given shows that we are supposed to find out the value of I1 because it's the current supplied by the battery, and we see that I1 is the current that is coming out of the battery. So I1 is the value we need to find. Okay, so we also have I2 for the source over here. So let us begin by working on KCL at this point here. Now let me call this A. Okay, so KCL at A. Just so you know, KCL is Kirchhoff's current law. So Kirchhoff's current law at A states that the incoming currents at the node equals the sum of the outgoing currents. So here we have I1 incoming at the node and I2 and I2 outgoing. So which means I1 equals to I2. So that's our first relation. Okay. Now that we have found the first relation, let's apply Kirchhoff's voltage law at the outer boundary of the entire circuit. Okay. So Kirchhoff's voltage law at the outer boundary. Okay, so let's see what we get here. We have the voltage here from the battery 1 minus, and the current passing through this resistor here. So we have that's 1 into I1. So voltage, right? So voltage is I times R, resistance I1 times I1 minus. Then now we come here. So the voltage across this, that's 1 times I2, 1 into I2. We have another resistor here. So that's again 1 into I2. Note that the 1 here, they are all the resistance values, okay, is equal to 0. So this is our KVL equation. Let's solve and see what we get. We get 1 minus I1 minus I2 minus I2 is equal to 0. So that's 1 minus 2I2 minus I1 equals 0. So we can use this relation here and apply it into this relation here. So let's substitute. Instead of I1, we substitute that. We get 2I2. So 2I2, that comes to minus 4. I2 is equal to 0. And the value of I2 is 1 by 4 amps. Now that we have I2, we can substitute this value here and find out what I1 is. So I1 equals 2 times I2. 2 times 1 by 4. That gives us I1 equals 1 by 2.5 amps. So the final answer is 0.5. I hope this has helped.
Thank you for watching this video. For future videos, please click here to subscribe YouTube channel. Visit our site thesis123.com for free student project or research ideas and online training. Follow us Facebook, Twitter, Google+ and Pinterest.